Episode 2, My Net Worth Strategy. Why I invest in Dubai, Philippines, and US stocks. So guys, a lot of people are asking me, why invest in so many different places? So for me, my answer is very simple. Never put all your eggs in one basket. So let's say, for me, that's how I diversify my portfolio. I have active business in the Philippines, I have Airbnb, and then same thing dito sa Dubai, and then I have US stocks. Kasi the purpose of that is, if let's say for example, hindi nagpe-perform ng maganda yung stocks, so I still have other stream of incomes na magsusustain sa akin. Let's say for example, yung Airbnb hindi ganun kalakas ngayon. So I have my US stocks naman, and I have my other active business din na nagpe-perform. So for sure, lahat yan, hindi naman sila sabay-sabay na hindi sila basta na lang magpe-perform together. That's why I diversify. Okay guys, let me go ahead and tell you how I spread my investment and why I build my strategy this way. So my portfolio has three parts, okay? First is the investment or the real estate in Dubai, okay? I live and work here, so I know the market, and Dubai offers a very good rental yields compared to other places. Like mostly sa Dubai, the rental yields every year, it's between 6 to 8%, of course depending on the location. And as I always say, be wise enough before you even invest. You have to do your due diligence. Check, okay, which is the best area to invest in. Sometimes, nakikitipid tayo na mas mura dito, mas mura doon na lang. Pero guys, we still need to check what is the capital appreciation of this 3 to 5 years down the line. What is the rental yields? So all of that matters. Kasi hindi lang yung basta lang makabili ka. Kailangan i-check mo, okay, ano yung benefits ko dito in the long run? Or if I flip this in the next few years, kikita ba ako? O break even lang ako? Syempre, ayaw mo naman mag-park ng pera mo into something na hindi ka kikita, diba? So, it's always better to do your homework. Always do that. Practice doing that. Before doing anything, i-background check nyo muna. Okay? Okay, second. Second is real estate sa Philippines and also an active business sa Pinas. Okay? Real estate sa Pilipinas, sino ba naman ang hindi mag-i-invest sa Pinas? First, so yung roots ko is from the Philippines, diba? So at the end of the day, mag-i-invest ka doon, and doon ako nag-start kasi yung kinikita mo dito is pag dinala mo naman sa Pilipinas, kahit papano is mas malaki siya. So meron kang power to invest talaga sa Pilipinas. So let's say for example, first na acquire ko doon is yung lot lang, okay, during the pandemic. Then right after that, nagpagawa kami ng pool villa, which is that's the Airbnb right now. And then we also have yung condominium sa Manila, okay, like somewhere in Mandaluyong, beside the Shangri-La Hotel. Then we have an active business also right now sa Philippines. So all of this gives us a very good passive income. So third investment is US stocks. So I use WIO bank, okay. The good thing dito sa stocks kasi is for long term. So for me, I'm not a day trader, okay. I'm a long term investor. So ang gusto ko dito is when I check like on the compounding interest, like I bought the ETF Uh, so, ngayon, kunwari, bumili ako halagang $20,000, okay? Yun lang. Gusto ko one time lang. $20,000. And in the next 3 years, so I will not open my account or anything. So, wait 30 years down the line, okay? You know how much would be your interest doon? So, yung total money mo is magiging $162,000, okay? So, yung total profit mo on a 7% return is $142,000. So, in total is 162. That $162,000 in peso, guys, it's already almost close to 10 million pesos. So, basically, I'm 34 right now, and then in the next 30 years, so I'm 65 by then. So, meaning to say, meron na akong nakatabi, and iisipin mo, meron ka ng 10 million at the age of 65. So, parang, at the end of the day, ang kagandahan nun is, hindi ka stress. So, yun, that's one way for me on how I'm trying to build or secure my retirement. So, kayo pwede nyo rin gawin to. Not necessarily mean naman na kailangan maglagay ka ng 20,000 one time. It's just an example. Let's say for example, pwede din naman kung meron kang $200 every month, okay? So 7% return in 30 years, ang magiging pera mo, ang total contribution mo is magiging $72,000 and your profit would be close to $172,000. So your total money would be around $244,000. So that $244,000 nasa almost 15 million pesos yun. So, diba, hindi na rin, kumbaga, yung $200 na yun every month, like, how much yung $200 every month in dirham? 730 to 750 dirhams. Pinangaano mo lang to, pinangbibili mo ng kung ano-ano. So, instead, why not invest, diba? So, yun lang. So, one way for me to secure our retirement is to do all these things. So, I'm fun doon ng naglalagay ako ng bulk kasi tapos kakalimutan ko na lang, then babalikan ko na lang after maybe visit the account once every 6 months or 1 year. Ganun lang. Then, keep it there. Ganun lang. So guys, ina-explore ko rin pala ngayon yung MP2 sa Pilipinas kasi wala ring interest riyon. So, ang alam ko sa MP2, meron siyang lock-in ng 1 year lang. Much less lang yung interest niya. And meron din siyang lock-in for 5 years. Okay? So, the good thing on this one, meron na din siyang proven track record na nagbibigay siya ng 6 to 7% annual returns. Okay? So, let's say for example, pipiliin mo yung lock-in for 5 years. So, maglalagay ka ng 5,000 pesos every month. So, ang total contribution mo in 5 years is around 300,000 pesos. And then, yung magiging profit nun, close to 58,000. Imagine, naglalagay ka lang doon, tinulungan ka na nga ng MP2 na mag-save. Kasi yung 5,000 na yun, to be honest, hindi mo yun mararamdaman every month. Kasi pangkakape mo lang yun. Well, hindi bawal magkape, ha? Kumbaga, yung 5,000 na yun is parang hinigpitan mo lang ng konti yung sinturon mo nang hindi mo namamalayan na mayroon ka palang na itatabi na ganun, tas kikita pa siya. Tas try to think of it, okay? Pag ni-roll over mo na naman yung pera mo, okay? Ni-roll over mo na naman yung 358,000 na yon into another 5 years kasi kailangan withdrawin mo siya kasi hindi na siya kikita. So, withdrawin mo siya tapos ilagay mo as is. Buo pa din, ha? So, ilalagay mo yung buong pera na yon tapos magkukontinue ka pa rin ng tigwa 5,000 pesos every month for the next 5 years. So, your total contribution would be 658,000. Ang tubo na ng 658 mo is 207,000 pesos. So, ang total pera mo, okay, is magiging 865,000 pesos. Imagine, okay, in that 10 years time, 7% return, na hindi mo namamalayan, meron ka palang naiipon. Diba? Basta ang key lang kasi is make it a habit and also i-automate nyo. Pagpasok ng sahod, automatic masisend na sa bangko mo diretso sa kung ano man investment platform yung gusto mong pag-investan. That is the best way para hindi mo makita yung pera. Kasi lagi ko nga sinasabi, the money that you don't see, the money that you will not spend. Pag yung pera nakita mo na kung ang dami mong gusto, maniwala ka sa akin, ang dami mong gusto, hindi mo uubos yung gusto mo. Kaya, much better na i-invest mo na agad. Dapat hindi mo na siya nakikita, dadaan lang siya, hindi siya tatambay sa account mo. Yun ang pinaka-the best, guys. Promise. So guys, itong mga sinasabi ko, yung strategy na meron ako, it might not apply sa'yo. Kaya kailangan mong hanapin yung niche mo, kumbaga. Kailangan mong hanapin yung swak sa'yo na strategy and investment na pwede mong gawin. Again, huwag kakalimutan, due diligence, ha? Please, huwag magsayang ng pera kasi this is a hard-earned money. Hindi dahil sa napanood mo to, okay, sige, mag-i-invest na rin ako. Hindi ganun yun. Kailangan aralin mo siya ng mabuti. Kung saan mo ibebet yung hard-earned money mo na yan. Second, and kasi para sa akin, ito yung nag-work. Kasi, alam mo na, limited time ako, limited resources ako. So, this is the most practical way or approach sa akin. Sa akin to guys, ha. Yung para sa inyo, please, i-check nyong mabuti. Okay? So, again, yung next episode natin is magde-deep dive ako into each one of this investments na meron ako. Okay, guys? So, again, this is the journey of an OFW trying to build freedom. One investment, one business, and one lesson at a time. See you sa next video natin!